Hello everyone, welcome back again with another video. Today I'm going to teach you how you can simply sign up Toobit account and how you can simply use this crypto trading platform. So each and every step I'm going to guide you, so watch the video till end. So I have provided the referral link and referral code in the description box. Please check it out. So if you follow the referral link, then you will get free reward over there. So don't forget to use our referral link. Now, so let's move on to sign up the Toobit account. So you need to first of all enter your email, then after password, and here you can see the referral link. It is already attached here. So if you follow the referral link, then you can simply able to see this kinds of interface. So after entering the email and password, simply tap on continue. Then after, you will be able to see these kinds of interface here in Toobit platform. So basically Toobit is a cryptocurrency trading platform where you can simply invest some amount of money, then you can simply get like some amount of profit over here. So welcome to Toobit, begin your crypto journey today. Okay, so if you sign up, then you can simply see here like create an account plus 5 USDT. Then if you deposit some amount of money, then plus 5 USDT, and if you copy the trading, then you can simply get 10 USDT. So please do this. So I'm going to guide each and everything over here, like for instance, like how to deposit and how to do copy trading, how about future trading, and what about the market trade, and for the how to refer the link to your friend. Each and every step I'm going to guide you. So see the video very carefully, and if you wanna invest your money, then feel free to invest on your like personal risks. Okay, so here you can see how you can deposit crypto. Okay, so you can simply see here like currency BTC, and please read the guidelines over here. Like if you wanna select the currency like Bitcoin to Bitcoin, if you want to buy like from Bitcoin to Bitcoin here in Toobit platform, then you can simply do as it is. Like if you can simply copy, and or you can scan the QR code to just deposit the amount of money. So please read these 4 points very carefully before deposit the amount of money here in the Toobit platform. So simply read this very carefully, then only you will be able to like deposit the BTC to BTC amount here in Toobit. So let's do for the credit and debit. If you have a credit and debit card, then we have this offer also. You can simply deposit through like from your Visa or MasterCard. So simply I want to pay like for example $3,000 USD into BTC, then you can have like a various service provider, ADV Cash and MonPay and so on. So please select your payment detail, Visa or MasterCard, then only buy with USD. Okay, so simply you can do as it is from here. So I have already teach you like this. So now let's move for the market. So let's overview for the market, what types of market is here for the cryptocurrency, for the trading and for the crypto trading. Okay, so here you can see like market and like hot coin max increase or 24-hour volume. So here you can see for the BTC, it's like for the 24-hour it's minus it's like decreasing from for the ETH also, and yeah, so you can simply see the data in the last 24-hour the market has been down, and you can simply see the spot market or future market also from here. So like sometime it fluctuate, like it will rise up, and sometime it will go down. So it depends upon the market and the value. So simply if you tap on the detail, then you can simply see the rate, the price and the rate and the fluctuate rate, the loss rate and the profit rate. You can see it very clearly. Okay, so after that you can see other details also. So if you tap on detail, then you can simply see over there. So now I'm going to move on for the trade. So how to trade here and how to buy BTC or sell BTC, okay, Bitcoin. So simply you can see the data over here, like for the red and for the green symbols for the buy, and for the red symbol it for the sell. So simply you can see here buy and sell in the cryptocurrencies. So simply all these things are happening in the trading platform, like buying and selling. With the buy and sell, the market term fluctuate, either it goes down or it goes up. So it depends upon the buying and selling. So see here, you can see the chart also, 24 hours data over here. So you can simply see for the BTC, ETH and many more cryptocurrencies over here. So so if you have some amount of Bitcoin or anything else, then you can simply sell. If you think that you are having a profit, good amount of money, and if you have a good margin and good volume, then you can simply buy or sell. So if you think that yeah, I'm in a good form, then you can simply buy or simply sell. So for example, the market goes down, then you can simply buy. Then after, if it rise up, then you can simply sell with a good margin. And you can simply see, for the derivatives is a future trading, and buy long and sell short means if you buy some amount of Bitcoin over here, then you need to hold for some time. Then after you can simply sell after if you get a good margin over there. So it's just a very easy and simple thing that I am telling you. Okay, so buy long and buy short, so it's just for the future trading. So if you wanna go for the long term, then you can simply use this future trading at all. So these are the point and these are the things that I'm going to explain you. So here you can see for the referral, you can join the affiliate program also. You can simply join the Toobit affiliate program and earn up to 80% referral with one's owner power. That makes influence real. So simply how to get commission, you need to apply, then after you need to share, then after you can simply earn from affiliate program of Toobit. So it's just a very simple and easy things that I'm telling you. So you can simply join through this, and if you wanna refer or if you wanna invite to your friends, so simply you have a referral code also here. So simply copy this and send to your friends, and then after if he or she follow the link, then also you will get some amount of money, and if they deposit. So after that, here you can see copy trading. So in every trading currency platform, copy trading is the most popular thing that many people want to do. So simply you can copy and you can simply invest some amount of money. Then if the traders does have a good amount of profit, then he will share some amount with you. Then you can simply have a good margin. So for these traders, you can see top income, and for example, if you wanna just spend $10 or minimum $10 you need to spend. If you wanna do for the 100, then you can simply go for it. So if he or she, the trader does have a good margin of profit, then he or she will definitely share with you. so automatically it will increase your revenue. So it depends upon you whether you choose to do this kinds of thing or not. So before that, so you need to like read the terms and condition of copy trading. So simply do I think sign in, and then you can simply read all those description, the like terms and condition. Please read it very carefully so that you won't be in like trouble in your future. So please read the terms and condition very carefully. After that, you can simply copy the trade of other people also, who is in a good margin, or who does have a good volume. Then you can simply do for them. So like for the second one, you can simply copy for the second one also. Simply see, and you can simply enter some amount of money, and you can agree the terms and condition. Then after if you are able to click OK, then simply you are doing copy trading. So it's just a very easy and simple process. If they get some amount of money profit, then you will also get those amounts of money over here in Toobit platform. So simply I've teach you about the copy trading also. So now let's go for the I think a reward section. Okay, not okay, so let's do for the copy trading, like becoming a Toobit pro traders. So if you wanna be a Toobit pro trader, so you can have unlock the highest reward as pro traders, evaluate your trading career, and growing your earning and influence. So simply see this. So you will get this kinds of benefit if you wanna become a Toobit pro trader. So you can simply see here, so you can simply apply. So let's go for the reward hub. Okay, so many people wants to get a reward. So simply if you deposit, then you will get 5 USDT. If you do copy trading, then you will get 10 USDT. It's just a simple thing that I have already told you. So you can get all this amount. So just fulfill all the criteria, then only you can simply get some amount of money over here in Toobit platform, and you can simply invest this here. And so simply you can do for the weekly deposit and for the spot trading also. So weekly tax is also here for you. So if you wanna go long term with Toobit platform, simply you can do as it is. So there is no any event in progress or in there. So my rewards, I don't have any reward over here. So if I deposit some amount of money or I'm investing here in Toobit platform, then definitely I will get some amount of reward over here. So Toobit verify, okay, it's just for the another thing. So for the order, like I have already teach you about everything else, how to do buy crypto, how to see the market overview, how to trade, and about the derivatives of future trading, how to refer to your friends, and I have already told about the copy trading also. So each and every details I have already told you. So you can simply download the app also of Toobit from Google Play Store. Simply scan and you will be able to download over here. So this much for today. So if you like the content, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell over there. We'll be uploading more videos like this. Till then, bye bye and take care. So don't forget to use our referral link and referral code, which is in the description box.